Hello, my name is Diego Mendoza, and today I'm going to present to you my webpage, which is called Active. Active is mainly for fighting obesity. It gives you different tips and information, and it also helps you measure your blood pressure. So here's the basic code. Just a quick look. Now let's take a look at the actual website. Open this. This website should help you to know more if you have a healthy blood pressure. Enjoy it. So here's the main screen. If you want more information, you can click on this link. It'll give you more. How to prevent it, it will take you to another link. And contact us, you can just contact us. So here, you can just introduce the information, and it's supposed to tell you if you have a good or bad blood pressure. If you don't feel like introducing your age and you just want to generate a random age, click here. 76. Let's just put a weight of 60 kilograms. I'm none of these, so I'm not going to select them. Say good. Submit. You should have a healthy blood pressure. And restart. Here's some information about obesity. If you want to learn more, please enter the website and use it. Thank you very much.